Hi, this is Sue Vine. Thanks for joining me today. We're going to make this cute little panda card with the beautiful glossy sentiment there. And we get that gloss on there by using the fine tip glue pen. After I did my basic stamping, I've then gone ahead and die cut a heart for my little panda. I'm going to pop that out, and then I've also cut some hearts out of other cardstock, and I'm going to layer them up for the Eclipse Technique. Just lining them up. I've already glued two together here, and then this one will get popped on top as well. Now I've gone ahead and laid up my cards, so now we're going to work on the Eclipse Technique for the bear. Now I want to end up with this piece being lined up here, so it's not all skewed. So first thing I'm going to do is layer up the back. And just pop in the little cuttings. Like that. Now I thought it would be nice to have a little bit the pink showing, or rose red rather. So what I'll do is I'm just going to offset that ever so slightly so that I can then line up the bear. So that's got our bear lined up. Now I also cut two of the U sentiments. Again, I'm going to offset them slightly to create a small shadow effect. Now I'm going to pop that in just under here. So now I'm just going to place the little hearts that I've cut from the picnic basket framelit dies. I'm just going to position them in here. Now I'm going to use the fine tip glue pen, and I'm going to apply glue on top of these die cuts, and it will give them a little bit of pop and make them shine as well. So I'm going to let that dry, and when it's dry, you have your finished card. Thanks for watching today.